guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to be making crinkles. Here are all the ingredients. You need chocolate, white sugar, brown sugar, flour. You need 2 eggs for each batch, so we're making 2 batches. Butter, pink salt, baking soda, and sugar. Now that we have the ingredients, let's start! Now we're gonna put the eggs in the bowl. I don't want to be messy, that's why. Oh, that's heavy. Ooh. Teacups. And pour the baking soda in. Now let's pour the salt in. We're gonna put the cocoa powder in. It smells delicious. And now we mix. We still have a lot. This is how it's supposed to look.